Hey my loves, this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. And as you can already recognize, this is the stunning, beautiful yet very simple look from the Cannes Film Festival of Deepika Padukone. Now let's get started with the tutorial. It's very easy yet very simple. So at first I'm starting by just clipping my hair because I want no hair in the way of my makeup and मेरे बहुत छोटे छोटे baby hair है जो कि face पर आ जाते हैं. So yeah, hair is set now. Now I'm starting with my moisturizer. This is the Plum Mattifying Moisturizer as I have really oily and acne prone skin. So this moisturizer helps me getting a really smooth yet matte and hydrated base, and I'm also applying the residue on my neck. Now for my lips, because we don't want chapped lips, so I'm moisturizing it with my favorite Fadi lip balm. This is a great affordable lip balm. Now for my primer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Primer. This is a really great primer. It just looks like a moisturizer, but it actually fills in your pores. Now I don't have a pore problem, but if you have, this is great for you. Also, this is great for oily skin. Now as you can see, my skin is breaking out crazily, and I have lots of acne scars. So we have to conceal that, right? Because all she has is a beautiful matte base. So I'm using the purple color correcting palette, and I took the peachy shade and I'm blending it with the Cups and Lashes ka ye deep angled brush. It's very easy to apply this with it, and as you can see, there is a full coverage concealer palette, and as it's a peach shade, so it's hiding my acne scars perfectly. I'm also gonna apply a little bit of it under my eyes and on my lid to hide all that pigmentation, and I'm gonna blend it out real quick. So after blending, as you can see, yes, I know I'm looking a little bit crazy, but yeah, it's all worth it. You will see why. At the end, it will look even. Now for my foundation today, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. This looks just like my skin. I'm using two shades, F8 and F10. This two shade just matches my skin perfectly if I mix the two up, and I'm applying at first F10 on my imperfections, as this is the perfect match when I'm little bit tanned, and on top of that, to highlight my face, I'm using F8 as you can see. Now I'm gonna blend the foundation with the help of Swiss Beauty Flat Top Kabuki brush. It's a really nice and dense brush, and it blends the foundation really nicely. As you can see, I'm gonna blend it with the dabbing motion. I'm not pressing it, I'm not like swiping the foundation, I'm just pressing it, and I'm also gonna blend it towards the hairline, so everything just looks very natural. And I'm also gonna apply some of the foundation on my neck to just match it with my face, and I'm also gonna apply the residue, just जो भी कुछ बचा हुआ है, on my ears to match everything up, so just everything looks even. Now to highlight my face, because it's looking very blunt, I'm taking the PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade 03 Sand. This is a really nice yellow and highlighting shade for my skin tone, as you can see, and I'm applying a generous amount of it on the highlighting points of my face, and I'm gonna blend it with the Cups and Lashes का concealer brush. ये Cups and Lashes का brush इतना अच्छा है guys, इतना अच्छा है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है and अच्छा भी है. And as you can see, my face is looking really highlighted now. And to set all these things, I'm using the Mars ka translucent powder. I'm applying the powder under my eyes and all over the area where I sweat a lot, and I'm applying it with the help of a beauty blender. I know I'm looking very crazy, but yeah, it's all worth it, because baking will help a lot with oily skin when you are applying full face of makeup. And for my brows, I'm using the Sugar Ka Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Top Tom, and I'm just filling in the sparse area, not doing much. As she has very bushy and natural looking brow, I'm using the Blue Heaven Ka Sculpt and Set Eyebrow Gel, and I'm just really pushing upwards my brows, really pushing upwards, so that it starts looking bushy, and you can see that it's actually looking very bushy. Naturally, I don't do this kind of brows, but today we have to. I'm cleaning under my brows with the concealer brush, the mess that I created. And now for my eyeshadow, I'm taking the Nika Ke eyeshadow palette in the variant Mocha Mix, and with the transition shade, as you can see, I'm just applying it in the outer part of my eyes, also taking it above my crease line just to create a V, just as she has. And next I'm taking the dark brown chocolate shade and applying it just in the outer part of my eyes, just to give it a depth, and then blending it under my crease line. And now I'm just blending everything out with the same brush, and I'm taking a little bit of the dark brown shade just to give my eye a little depth. And with the help of this nude transition color, I'm filling in the inner part of my eyelid. And now for the eyeliner, I took the Mars ka eyeshadow palette because you know I'm really bad at applying eyeliner, so I'm really scared, so I took the eyeshadow. And with the deep angled brush, I think it will be easier for me to draw a really strong and long wing just as she has. Wish me luck क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस थी, बट या वॉइला आई जस्ट डिड इट. आई नो कि बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, बट या थोड़ा बहुत जुगाड़ से, थोड़ी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से मैंने ये ऑलरेडी कर लिया. एंड आई ऑल्सो elongated the inner corner of my eyes क्योंकि दीपिका also had this kind of eye look going on, and as you can see we are successful kind of. I know this is not perfect. Now it's time to dust off all the excess powder. And now for my lower lash line, I'm taking the dark chocolate shade, and with the help of a small brush I'm applying it. And guys, as you can see my right eye is red क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत एलर्जी हो रखा था, बट फिर भी मैं थोड़ी बहुत रिस्क लेकर ये आई लुक कर रही थी. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And for the mascara, I'm just wiggling the lashes outwards to give it a like cat eye look, and also applying it in the lower lashes. Now for the face, I'm taking the Cups and Lashes ka bronzer in the shade Tea Cake. This is a really nice bronzer, and I'm not doing any contouring today because she has a really sun-kissed and like bronzed up face look going on. So yeah, I'm just doing a full face of bronzing. Now for my nose and also in the forehead area, I'm doing the same thing. And as Deepika Padukone means chiseled and the perfect jawline, but I don't have that, so I'm trying to create that with the like the bronzer, as you can see. And for the blush, I'm using Sugar का ये blush. ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है, so I'm going really light-handed. For the highlighter today, I'm using the Swiss Beauty का highlighting palette. As you can see, मैंने ये तोड़ दिया है as I'm very clumsy, but yeah, this works just perfectly fine. ये बहुत ज़्यादा subtle, soft वाला highlighter है, बहुत ज़्यादा chunky भी नहीं लगेगा. And as you can see, it's really nice, giving me that rose gold glow, but it's not looking very chunky. I'm also applying little bit of it in the inner corner. Now to set everything up, I'm using the L'Oreal का Infallible setting spray. ये भी बहुत अच्छा setting spray है, मैंने recently लिया है. And for my lips, I'm lining my lips with the brown lip liner as she had a nude brown lip going on. So I'm just filling in the outer part of my lips with the lip liner, and I'm using two shades today. The first one is Rimmel London ka liquid lipstick in the shade Troublemaker, and I'm applying the lipstick in the outer parts of my lips, not in the inner part. मैं inner part अभी खाली रख रही हूँ, and sorry ये वाला part मैं भूल गई थी कि recording का button off था, but in the inner part of my lips I applied the Wet n Wild का Give Me Mocha shade. Now as you can see, the makeup is done. It's kind of looking similar. I know it's not perfect. Now it's time for the jewelry and the hair. Now for the jewelry, I wore two necklaces. At first I wore this choker. I know कि ये बिल्कुल तो similar नहीं है, but I struggled a lot finding those kind of necklaces because what she had was really unique kind of a piece. It was traditional, but it went really good with her outfit. I don't know कि ये कैसा लग रहा है, but मैंने अपना best try किया कुछ similar लगाने में. So now for the hair, wish me luck क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल भी hair style नहीं कर सकती हूँ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ, but yeah, I'm trying today. And for the hair, at first I'm parting the hair from the middle as she had a middle section going on. And for that beautiful front part of the hair, I'm trying to take some section of my hair, but the sad part is कि मेरे उतने छोटे छोटे बाल नहीं है सामने. as you can see ये बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे हो गए हैं, but no way out. and मैंने एक पहले ponytail बांध लिया, and then I did a top knot with this and I secured it with a rubber band. and मैंने अपने hair को थोड़ा बहुत volume देने की कोशिश की जैसा दीपिका का था, but my hair is very thin and very flat. so yeah, and next I took this scarf and I first knotted it up for that volume, and next I just pinned it in the front part, and then I knotted it from the back just as she had going on. And once I knew that the scarf was secure, I took off the bobby pins from the front part, and next up was setting up the front part of the hair. क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग था तो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत मैनेज करके ये वाला हेयर पार्ट लाने में मैं सक्सेसफुल हुई. I know it's not perfect and I am finishing up the look with this छोटे छोटे studs. And this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts if it was a pass or a fail, and if you want more such recreations, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do that for you guys. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. It will take you just 1 second, but it will help me a lot. And yeah, here it ends. I will see you in my next video. I love you all guys so much. Bye.